Unit 9, Earth Cycles. Number 1. Which of the following has the greatest effect on the Earth's tides? A. The moon's gravitational pull. B. The sun's gravitational pull. C. The position of Venus and Mars. D. Convection heat from thermal vents. Number 2. Which of the following would be an accurate picture of the Earth during the summertime of the Northern Hemisphere? F, G, H, or J? Use the following graphic to answer the next 5 questions. Number 3. In what moon phase is the moon during a solar eclipse? A, full. B, gibbous. C, quarter. D, new. Number 4. Between which 2 points in the diagram above would a waxing gibbous phase of the moon be visible to people on Earth? F, between W and X. G, between X and Y. H, between Y and Z. J, between Z and W. Number 5. A neap tide would be found in positions blank. A spring tide would be found in positions blank. A, X and Z. W and Y. B, X and W. Y and Z. C, W and Y. X and Z. D, Y and Z. X and W. Number 6. Which of the following moon phases would be present during a neap tide? F, full. G, gibbous. H, quarter. J, new. Number 7. Which of the following is most accurately portrayed in the model? The ratio of the size of the sun and the earth. B, the ratio of the size of the moon and the sun. C, the movement of the earth around the sun. D, the movement of the moon around the earth. Number 8. Which of the following images accurately demonstrates the relationship between the sun and the earth while it is winter in the area labeled with the star southern hemisphere? F, G, H, or J? Number 9. Looking at the diagram left to right, June, September, December, March. Which factor below best explains why Earth experiences seasons? Refer to the diagram above. A, the revolution of Earth around the sun. B, the tilt of Earth's axis and the revolution of Earth around the sun. C, the tilt of Earth's axis and the rotation of Earth every 24 hours. D, the location of Earth every 3 months. Number 10. The diagram below illustrates a student's observations during a 1-month period. The student observations. 10. According to the diagram above, which day best illustrates the 3rd quarter phase of the lunar cycle? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 11. Looking at the diagram left to right, June, September, December, March. Earth would not have seasons if it: A, no longer tilted on its axis. B, stopped rotating on its axis. C, took an additional month to orbit the sun. D, revolved around the sun in the opposite direction. Number 12. In the summer, many people enjoy going to the beach. The photograph shows a beach in Argentina, which is located in the southern hemisphere. Which diagram shows the position of the Earth when it is summer in Argentina? F, G, H, or J? Number 13. A student draws the model shown below. Sun, and then the Earth, Y, and X. Which of these best compares the conditions at location X and location Y? A. It is day at location X and night at location Y. B. It is winter at location X and summer at location Y. C. There are more hours of daylight at location X than at location Y. D. The moon is brighter when viewed from location X than when viewed from location Y. Number 14. The diagram below shows 4 positions in Earth's orbit around the Sun. The northern hemisphere experiences the beginning of spring when Earth is in F position 1, G position 2, H position 3, J position 4. Number 15. On July 4th, 1776, the American colonies declared their independence. The table shows the lunar phases for June 1776. Lunar phases for June 1776. Date, June 2nd, lunar phase full moon. June 9th, last quarter moon. June 16th, new moon. June 24th, first quarter moon. What lunar phase occurred on July 4th, 1776? A. A waning gibbous. B. Waxing gibbous. C. Waning crescent. D. Waxing crescent. Number 16. Some students use records from the U.S. Naval Observatory to make the table below of the percent of the moon that was visible on each night in January 2011. Below is the percent of moon visible in January 2011. Based on these data, what part of the lunar cycle occurred between January 5th and January 7th? F. Waxing crescent moon. G. Waning crescent moon. H. Full moon. J. New moon. Number 17. Different relative positions of the Sun, the Moon, and Earth have different effects on Earth's oceans. Which model shows the positions of the Sun, the Moon, and Earth that have the greatest effect on ocean tides? A, B, C, or D? Number 18. A student keeps a record of the phases of the moon for 1 month. On the first night of the student's observations, the full moon is visible in the sky. After the full moon, which of these phases will the student observe next? F. Waxing crescent moon. G. Waxing gibbous moon. H. Waning crescent moon. J. Waning gibbous moon. Number 19. A phase of the moon is shown below. Which pair of diagrams shows the moon's phase immediately before and immediately after this phase? A, B, C, or D? Number 20. North Pole, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, or South Pole. Which of these locations on Earth experiences the least change in the number of daylight hours throughout the year? F. Equator. G. North Pole. H. Tropic of Cancer. J. Tropic of Capricorn.